How to know and differentiate the meaning of each of this color on your trademark status. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can know the level of the status of your registration on the IPO portal. So as for you to be able to know the particular stage that your registration is at that point in time. So come with me as I take you through on how you can get to know and see what each of the colors that pops up during your registration on the IPO portal simply means. So let's go straight into it. You can see we have 6 different applications on this page of this registration, and the number 1 is showing us green, number 2 is showing us purple, number 3 is showing purple, number 4 is also showing purple, number 5 is also showing purple, while number 6 is showing yellow. So each of those segments has what they mean, which is what we'll be looking at here. If you are registering your trademark and you are seeing color purple, this stage makes so many people to be afraid, like, why is my application saying awaiting payment? It is simply saying awaiting payment because it means that your payment has not been confirmed. That is what color purple means. And if you look at it, there is showing awaiting payment until your payment is being confirmed before it will move to color yellow. So that is what it simply means. So don't be afraid when you just send your money or when you just make payment on the portal and you came back and you are seeing awaiting payment. I will always receive so many DMs saying the registration I made payments for was asking me to make another payment again, this and that. That is not what it means. It means that payment you made was actually not verified. So until you verify it before it will move from awaiting payment to awaiting search. So that is what it simply means. Now, once you verify it and it moves to awaiting search, then you are good to go. After you might have verified it and it moves to awaiting search, which is color yellow, then it means your application is waiting for an insider to attend to it. And once an insider starts attending to your job, it will be showing awaiting examiner. And that awaiting examiner is still will be showing under color yellow. So once that insider that is attending to your job has attended to it, then it will move to publication. And once that publication is ready on your portal, it simply means you can now go ahead to download your trademark acceptance letter, because by then the office had already gone through all the details that you drop and provided on the portal, and they verified it and it has been approved. That is when you are now going to be seeing color green, which is the publication. So what the 3 colors you see on your portal simply means is the awaiting payments, which is the first color, then it will move to awaiting search, which is under color yellow, and later it will move to awaiting examiner, which is still under your color yellow, and then it will move to color green, which is approval. It means your trademark registration has finally been published. It has been publicated. So these are the different meaning to the different colors that you have on your portal on the IPO registration portal. If this video has been helpful, if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Feel free to subscribe and join the channels for you to learn more on this space. And should in case you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section and I will be glad to provide an answer to each of your questions. And should in case you don't have time to go through all of those videos, or you don't have time to start doing this by yourself one after the other, you are free to reach out to us at Sholadram 247 Consult using the link in the description of this video, and we are going to help you out to get your business name trademarked the right and proper way without having any errors from start to finish, and your documents will be handed over to you within 48 hours, which is 2 days. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Sholadram 247. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.